Hello? Newspaper? Yes, I'd like to place an ad for a roommate. Yes, the address is, 1 second now. I'll have to give you a call back, alright? You gotta be kidding me.
I understand you're looking for a roommate.
I changed my mind.
Listen, Bruce. Can I call you Bruce? I know we've had our differences in the past, but you need a roommate, and I need a place to stay. What do you say?
Not in a million years.
Come on. I just got thrown out of Arkham for being too crazy. I got nowhere to go.
I don't care.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Uh-oh. To the Batcave! I'm Batman. I should really start locking my doors.
You got a nice place here, Batman. I'm gonna enjoy living here.
Not if I have a say in it.
Shooting at your house guests. You're not a very good host,
Batman. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bring it.
What a nice kitchen, Batman. It's very spacious.
Come on. Batman, your aim sucks. Whoa, I might have to switch my gun. Oh, that one was close. Whoa. This is fun, Bat Boy. Come on. Whoa. Oh yeah. Come on, bring it. Batman down.
What do you say, Batman? Roomies?
Fine.
Yay! Let's throw a party.
You guys, make sure you subscribe to Nerf Superheroes, because there's more Nerf Wars coming your way for sure.
And click like if you love superheroes.